All right, so we just substituted 4 for x, 5 for y, and 3 for z. And now we're going to evaluate the rest of the expression the way we did before. So we're going to use PEMDAS, and we're going to look at this here. This should be like this probably. This parentheses here. So let's look in here and work on this. So I've got inside these parentheses, I've got multiplication and I've got power here. So I'm going to do the power first, or exponent first. So I'm going to have 3 times 3 times 3, that's what 3 cubed is. So that is 9. And now I'm going to do my multiplication here. 2 times 5 is 10. And then don't forget to write all the other stuff that I haven't worked on yet. Now I've got these parentheses here. 10 plus 9 is 19. 3 times 4 squared plus 19. Now here I do not multiply 3 by 4 yet. I need to do the exponent first. 4 times 4, that's 4 squared, is 16. So 3 times 16 plus 19, sorry. 3 times 16, that will give me 48. Is that right? 48? 3 times 16. Let's do it like this. 3 times 6 is 18. 18, 3 times 1. 48, yes. 48 plus... Oh, I did something wrong. And this is something that maybe you noticed and you're screaming at YouTube right now saying, Mr. V, you did something wrong. And this is one that I get students doing all the time. 3 cubed is 3 times 3 times 3, not 3 times 3. There are 3 3's. So that means 3 times 3 times 3 is not 9, it's 27. Whew, man. All right, so now I've got 10 plus 27, which is 37. And so this 19 is 37. Oops, 37. 48 plus 37 equals 85. Whew, goodness. All right. So, sorry about that, got a little distracted here. But I'm glad I made that mistake actually, because this is one that is made all the time. 3 cubed is not 9. 3 cubed is 27. All right. You try. A squared times 3b plus 5 divided by c. So we're going to evaluate this. If a equals 2, b equals 6, and c equals 4. All right, so my first step is to substitute these numbers for these letters. So a is 2, so 2 squared times 3 times b, which is 6. So I should do a hard bracket here. Plus 5 divided by c, which is 4. Okay, so we should do our parentheses first because that's what PEMDAS tells us to do. So in my parentheses here, I've got 3 times 6 plus 5. Should I add the 6 and the 5? Oh, you're supposed to pause this. Oh, shoot. All right. So you finish this out, pause it, then finish it out, and then I will finish the rest of it. What a mess. Okay. You're welcome for the getting you started here. Okay. Let's finish it out now. 3 times 6 is 18 plus 5. That's my parentheses. I still got my 2 squared here times that, and I've got my divided by 4 going on. So now I'm going to do this parentheses here still. So 2 squared times 18 plus 5, which is 23, divided by 4. Now, I've got to do my exponents. 2 times 2, 2 squared is 2 times 2, which is 4. 4 times 23 divided by 4. Okay, I'm going to do this the easy way, but I'll tell you how you might do it the harder way. So 4 times 23 is 92 divided by 4, which is 23. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to say 4 divided by 4 equals 1. 1 times 23 is 23. Boop. Another way I could write this is 4 times 23 divided by 4, because right, divided by 4 over 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 1 times 23 equals 23. That's the easier way to do it if you kind of understand the way this works. Otherwise, you go 4 times 23 is, what I say, 92 divided by 4, which is 23. Either way, you end up with 23. All right. Good luck on the homework.